Okay, we got good oil pressure.
Yep.
Avionics on, set ATIS.
Automated weather observation 1612 Zulu. Wind 250 at 10. Visibility.
Greenville traffic, Skyhawk 44 Echo taxiing for runway 23 Greenville. A little bit more. I can use the excuse it's been a while.
Not for the ultimate professional like yourself.
Well, you know,
hey.
that's...
It's all good, hey.
We're going to use runway...
It's a learning curve, Michael. Hey.
It really is.
Hey.
Greenville traffic, Skyhawk 44 Echo is taxiing in position, runway 23 Greenville, right close traffic.
And I've had guys that taxied right in front while I was on short final, you know.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Happens all the time. I've had guys taking off and guys landing on the other side, you know.
Alright, we're on the center line.
Okay.
We'll uncage this guy.
Yeah.
Oh, there
Alright,
you go.
so now what you do is just throttle it up and then
Full throttle or
yeah,
what?
full throttle. Okay, hold your brakes and then just pull your mixture out till you get a little bit of...
Pull it or spin it?
Yeah, spin it. There you go, that's too lean. There you go, a couple of turns in. There you go, there's your full reach. Or full.
Off we go. We still have good pressure.
Alright, so you got a little bit of a 20-degree crosswind, so you keep a little bit of aileron into it. And once you're off the ground, you just point the nose in the direction, and basically you'll be...
We're going to rotate?
Yeah. There you go.
There you go. Going for 75 in the climb for max rate of climb.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I'll trim it back just a little bit.
A little bit of rock and roll there.
80 miles per hour, a little fast.
Yep. Looking good though.
Got a headwind.
Yeah, it's better to be just a little tad faster because the ground speed is probably about
70
or so, or less than that. So
yeah.
All right, now you're going to get a little bit of crosswind. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep one aileron into the wind. So keep your right wing into it, and then use your left rudder to correct.
There you go.
There you go. Bit straight on that center line. Oh yeah.
Come off to the right just a little bit. Keep it straight.
Yeah. Still want to glide it down to the runway though. Level off too high with this.
Yep.
There you go. Good job. All right, flips up.
Are we going around or what?
Yeah, let's see if it does it again.
Okay.
I didn't hear it anymore.
I didn't either. Coming rotating. But if I'm on the runway, like if I am on the ground.
Yeah, on the runway you'll be straight.
Yeah, I'm straight. So it's all rudder, but it was kind of.
Well, that's because the wind is pushing you.
Okay,
so what you do is you keep your rudder, you keep it straight, but you keep your aileron into the wind.
Yeah.
So as soon as you break ground, you'll see that the nose will it will dip a little bit to the right. So that's when you steer to the right.
Okay.
And just fly a little sideways.
Okay.
So instead of flying 230, you might be flying about 240.
Okay. All right. All's idle, but we got plenty of.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so here, I'm just going to play here because nose needs to be straight.
Yeah. So you just what you want to look for is just make sure that the nose is straight, so you can see if you leave it, then see what happens. You know, if the wind blows you to the side, then if there's no wind, you know, then it looks actually good. You know.
Off to the right, just a little bit there. Eyes down the road. Oh. Little.
It worked out for you, but see, this wing was up.
Yeah.
And you want to make sure that this wing is down because the wind.
Because it was gonna.
And in worst case scenario, if the wind really picks up, it'll pick you back up and you'll be in the grass.
Yeah.
So in this case, just keep your aileron. It's a little weird.
Okay, I see what you're saying. It went into the.
That's right. Now you just push your nose into that wind.
For some reason, I'd much rather be high. I don't know if I like just coasting in or not having to. I don't know.
On this runway, that'd be all right. But if you had a small runway, you didn't have that option. So.
Okay, let's stay on the right. I'm going to be on the right side of the center line, Steve.
That's right. Yeah, aim for that side.
And I'm fast.
So
you know why though? Because I'm coming in steep.
Well, yeah, and yeah. So ideally, you want to land between the numbers and the 1,000-foot marker.
Okay. And then still cooking 80.
Yeah, but that will burn off in no time.
Eyes down the runway.
There you go.
Trim. Come on.
Greenville traffic, helicopter 161 Tank Victor is a mile and a half to the east and about to land, Greenville.
44 Echo, departing runway 23.
23, we'll be there in a minute.
Alright, downwind, we're all secure. Fuel still on both. We're trimmed out for...
Alright, let's do an emergency.
Alrighty, we're going for 75. For that trim, RB's all the way out.
Alright. Definitely, you want to get yourself in the habit. Don't just fly a nice bearing. Just get your butt to the runway because...
Especially with the winds, you don't know.
That's right, because you're going to get slowed down and you might end up short.
Yeah.
So, you got plenty of runway, even if you land halfway down the runway.
Greenville traffic, Skyhawk 44 Echo, right base to final 23, Greenville. Got plenty of speed too. We're going to do 10 degrees flaps here.
Yeah, you could. If you make the runway, yep.
Turn right. Would you even do 20 degrees? Or?
Yeah, you can.
Alright.
Let's see what it does.
Alrighty. Realistically, I would not have my hand back here, but
there you go. That's
just
good.
You know, we're simulating.
Yeah,
It's not great emergency when we don't have to.
That's good. Same thing. There you go.
Oh, little balloon there.
Yeah. Nice. Good job.